back, guys, and today we're making slime. So first you need a bowl and any color you want to add inside. I got white, then I got red. I can even put a little bit of red so I can make it pink too. I can make it green, matching by the way, and black. So let's get started. First you need your bowl and a little bit of water inside. This much water. How much you want to make the slime? You have to make that much water inside. तो फिर आपको ये शुगर चाहिए, अंदर डालना पानी के अंदर और फिर सही तरह मिक्स करना। पानी और शुगर मिक्स कर दिया। अभी कोई भी कलर लेना है, मैं पिंक करना है तो मैं थोड़ा सा रेड अंदर डालूंगी। ये अंदर लेंगी मैं और मिक्सी मिक्स 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 मिक्स। Ooh, pretty good. Pink, big. Ta 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 ta. Ooh, a lot of red. Mix, mix. Got the red. Then you have to add a little bit of flour. Flour, cooking flour, or sunflower. No, only flour. Flour, got some flour. Ooh. Let's add a little bit of flour. Let's see if it turns out. Nope, need to add more. More flour. Ooh, kinda good. Still needs more flour, I think. Yeah. Ooh, more flour. Ooh, kinda turning out. Let's add more, a little bit more. Let's see if it turns out. Brother! My God, I have to add a lot then. It's not turning out. What did I do wrong? My God. Maybe that's enough. I think I let it a lot more than you think. Oopsies, spilled some. All done. Mixing time. Ooh. What else? I have to open this. Let's use this as the cover. Okay, mix. Ooh, kind of turning out. But why it's so disgusting? I thought it was this. Ugh. Rather, I don't know what I did wrong, guys. It's not turning out. Maybe I have to add a little bit more flour. Little bit more. Okay, maybe that's enough. Ooh. Kind of turning out. Ooh. It's good now. Oh, pretty good. Pretty good. Let's take it off. Ugh. Brother, what does it mean? This is not slime. It's just dough. Oh, pretty good. It turned out well. It's pretty good. It's not sticky. You should try this, guys. It's super good. I made a lot actually. What the hell? Wow, it turned out amazing. Pink slime. Wow. It's super pink and not sticky. Ooh. I can play with it. We can deal with this. Ooh. Super slimy. I love it. Ooh. And if yours turns out, let me know in the comments, because this is amazing. I hope you try this with me. If not, that's okay. You can try another time. So if you love this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.